watched you for longer than memory, and still you come. From distant roads, from different lives, pulled here by something you cannot name. A feeling, a longing, a call that lives somewhere deeper than words. You come to leave the ordinary behind, to remember that none of us were meant to shine alone. People of IKARUS, I see you. No yesterday, no tomorrow, just this night, just us. Look, this is what we are made of. Every face, every voice, every heart that answers my call becomes a part of IKARUS. And IKARUS becomes a part of you.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Touch yourself in words unspoken. Live your life with arms wide open.
not last forever. They are meant to be lived. They are meant to be felt. We only have this life. All that ever truly matters is the moment we are in. It is ours to decide how high we fly. Together we rise, even knowing we may fall. Together we sing, even knowing the song will end. We choose this moment. Now, make it yours.
Bei diesem einen Track passiert es, dass ich anders denk. Da kommt mein Kumpel mit einem Sack und ich bin abgelenkt. Sonne geht auf in der Straße, wo die Herzen hängen. Das ist verblasst wie der Stempel an meinem Handgelenk. Bei diesem einen Track passiert es, dass ich an dich denk. Da kommt mein Kumpel mit einem Sack und ich bin abgelenkt. Einfach so Gedanken weg mit der ganzen Gang. Und wir liegen uns vom Arm bei einem Krankenfeld. Kippe ab und sind an irgendeinem Drink. Wenn ich besinnungslos bin, dann vergessen meinen Sinn.
And now, rise with everything you are, with every scar, every hope, every broken piece of yesterday. Rise louder, rise brighter, but always rise together. This moment will fade, but not the memories we've made. Hold them close and carry them with you beyond this night and into tomorrow.